Hello, our friends. We're going to be drawing Kokichi Ouma from Dangonrampa V3. Hopefully I said that kind of right. Okay, so to start with, we are going to start with her fingers. I know that's weird. We're going to draw a little diagonal line here. And we're going to draw another diagonal line here. And then we're going to draw a line kind of going behind it. And a line kind of going right here. And then we're going to draw a curved line and a curved line. And we're going to draw kind of a little crooked line in there. And we're going to draw a V like so. Okay, then we're going to draw that V and then it's going to come up. Keep with the V and come up. All right. So then for the nose, we have just a little line. And then they're smiling really big. So we're gonna have an arched eye, because when you smile, your eyes gets kind of arched. And that's gonna be thick on the one side to thin on the inside. Then on this side, we're just gonna draw just part of it because the hair is everywhere. Okay, so here comes the zigzag hair. So we're gonna zigzag with starting here, coming down. Here we go. Coming back up. Then we're going to come on the other side. Back out. This, and then kind of up like that. There we go. All right, now we're going to draw the rest of the hands. Oh, I guess we have some eyebrows, don't we? Right? Just like that, and maybe just a little one under here. There we go. Now we're gonna draw the hands. So for the hands, they're gonna come back from the fingers and down slightly. Then we're gonna draw diagonal line and just some little, what would you say these are? V's, maybe? And then that last V, we're gonna come back and it's gonna get kind of narrower through here, like that, for the wrist. Okay, now we're gonna draw a curved line. Make it thick. Another curved line. And this one's gonna be a little bit bigger. Like that. And we're gonna draw it down, down, down. V. And back up. Then back here, from underneath right here, we're going to draw the jacket. So that's going to come down. It's going to have a little bit of a V. Then it's going to come down, across, come back up, back down, and across. Okay, then under here for the arm, there's a little bit of arm showing right here. Okay, so this is the back of the arm. Here's the front of the arm. And we have some like fabric lines in here for the folds of the fabric. That looks pretty good. Okay, now for the other hand. It's a little different. So it's gonna come back. Then we're gonna draw line coming down a little further. And then this one's gonna come back like that for the pinky. Then it's gonna come back up like that. And then here we are, a little curvy rectangle, a bigger curvy rectangle, and a bigger curvy rectangle. Then that's gonna come down, V, up. We've got some fabric fold lines in here. Okay, then underneath this part right here, we're gonna come down. It's gonna kind of swerve around a little bit and then finally run into there. Ooh, you guys are doing good. All right, and then the same thing on this side. You can see the back of their arm right there like that. All right, now they have just a little neck right here. And then they have this, what would you call it? A scarf. And it's just gonna come down at an angle. And then it's gonna come back up at an angle like that. And then we're gonna have some kind of curvy things right here. And we're gonna have just some lines coming across. This is like an optical illusion with the checkerboard pattern. And they're gonna go down further. And then we're gonna have the checkerboard. And then we're gonna fill in every other one to make that checker. Okay, so then for these, they're gonna have this drop line, and then they'll have a checker as well, but it's gonna be different from the checker below because it is kind of folded, gathered, draping around their neck. Smaller up here. Oops. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's our secret. Okay, and there is that. And then we have this little button-up thing here. So that is a bunch of rectangles. So we have two here. We have one up here. We have two here. One underneath that. Then we have one here. Okay. So actually this goes up like this. And then this goes across. And I'm going to get rid of that because these need to line up with it. I'm slaughtering it. We were doing so good. Okay. Yes, so then this goes across and then this goes up. And then I'm gonna make these dark since I goofed in my butt. And then we'll just make this into the shadow. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And we've got like a dot here. And we've got a dot here. And we've got a dot here, here, and here. And then we've got the legs. And we've got some little kind of zigzags under here for the shadows. Yes, so this will all be shadowy. All right. Hey, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.